Hello everyone. Let's provide the solution to this problem. B to the power of 3 plus B equals 30. Remember, we are solving this completely, okay? And to deal with this, we're going to bring 30 to the left. So we have B to the power of 3 plus B minus 30, now giving us 0. Because 30 has been moved to the left and there's nothing on the right. Now, from here, to factorize what we have here, we are going to break this 30 down so that we have b to the power of 3 plus b, then minus 30 can be 27 plus 3, and this is equal to 0. Now, this 27 can be written in the form of this, while 3 is already in this form, right? So let's open this bracket, and we get b to the power of 3 plus b minus 27 minus 3, and this is equal to 0, because the negative is opening the bracket. Now, do you know that b to the power of 3 plus b minus this 27 will now be 3 to the power of 3, then minus 3 equals 0. Okay, if not for the fact that we have to solve this completely, we already know the real solution to this equation. Okay, but then let's continue. Bring this and this together. B to the power of 3 minus 3 to the power of 3, then plus b minus 3. We'll deal with this and deal with this separately. This is now equal to 0. Then remember this standard that a to the power of 3, okay, let me use x to the power of 3 minus y to the power of 3 is equal to x minus y. Close this. Then here we have x squared, we have plus ab, then plus b squared. Okay, we are using x, right? That means it's going to be xy, and here we have y squared. Okay, so this will be the same standard we are going to use because our x is now b. So we have b minus y is 3. Close this. Then open this bracket. X squared will be b squared, right? So we write b squared. Then plus xy, that's going to be our b times 3, and it's 3b. Then plus y squared, which will be 3 squared. Close that. Then I go over to that, which is plus b minus 3. Close this and equate to 0. Now from here, what can we do? This is b minus 3 into b squared plus 3b plus 9. Then we close this, plus open bracket b minus 3 equals 0. And from here, observe that there's already a common factor, and it is b minus 3. So we'll factorize it out. Then here we have b squared plus 3b plus 9. Then plus here, b minus 3 divided by b minus 3 is 1. And then this is equal to 0. Now from here, we have b minus 3 alone. Then from here, we have b squared plus 3b, then plus 9 plus 1 is 10. And this is equal to 0. Now, we're going to apply zero product rule so that we can continue from here. Okay, so it is either b minus 3 is equal to 0 or b squared plus 3b plus 10 is equal to 0. From here, b will be equal to 0 plus 3, and b is equal to 3. That is from the linear equation there. So this will be the first value of b. Now let's go back to this quadratic equation. B squared plus 3b plus 10 equal to 0. Now, to some persons that may not know why this is a quadratic equation, it is because we have the power of 2, we have the unknown, and we have the equality sign. Okay, so these are the three things, or the three parameters that make a quadratic equation: the power of 2, the unknown, and the equality sign. Now, what formula do we use to deal with this? We're going to use quadratic formula. Okay, and the quadratic formula is x equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac. This is all over 2a. I think this is the most popular that we use, but you can decide to change the values or the parameters you have in here. As a matter of fact, now that we are looking for y in place of x, now that we are looking for b in place of x, we'll write b. And this is equal to, now because we have b here, we can change what we have in here. In fact, I'm going to change this b to y, so we're having negative y, then plus or minus square root of this b squared will turn to y squared, because b is what we are looking for, right? Then we have minus 4ac all over 2a. So I think it's understandable here. Now the next thing is this: what is our b? Our b, which is now y, is 3. So our y is 3, our a is 1, and our c is 10. Now let's put this in. B will be equal to, in place of minus y, we'll be having minus 3, which is that, then plus or minus square root of, remember y is still 3, so I write 3, and we square it, minus 4 times a is 1 times c, which is 10. This is all over 2 times 1 because a is 1. Now b will be equal to minus 3 plus or minus 3 squared is 9 minus 4 times 1 times 10 is 40. So this will be over 2. To continue, b will be equal to minus 3 plus or minus square root of 9 minus 40 will give us negative 31. And this is over 2. Now, what does this mean? This means that we're having b to be equal to minus 3 plus or minus, we have square root of 31, then multiply by I. This I is imaginary because of this negative. Now, this will be over 2. Or better still, b is equal to minus 3 plus or minus I square root of 31, and this is over 2. Remember, this is a 2-in-1 solution, so if we like, we will say that b is equal to minus 3 plus I square root of 31 over 2, or minus 3 minus I square root of 31 over 2. So these are two solutions from the quadratic, or these are the two solutions from that quadratic equation. And before this time, we already had b to be equal to 3. So these will now be the three solutions. Thank you for watching.